Hi guys, what a guan. No, this one I had to say something about this one because if once wasn't enough, you have to go back again and do it a second time. Honestly, I don't understand why grown men behave certain way on the internet. Not just grown men, you have grown women do it as well, but in this specific instance I'm talking about grown men. I saw money really don't make you have morals, you know. Money don't make you have morals, because it's like the more money you have, the more immoral you become. Yeah, here nice see. So like us, yeah, the more money you have, the more immoral it look like you become. Because I look on all a big man like Kartel now who upload a video in I'm brief and a gyrate in pelvic girdles. Him a gyrate in pelvic girdle like that. Why would he do such a thing? The people them come out and they talk about it, and the best thing he could do is to do another video which is really worse. And all me see in that the video there, me all them song they were Kartel sing, me I expect to see different something because of him choose to put on underpants and wearing underpants. Nobody never tell him to go showcase himself. But a be balls me I say, you know, understand say my old man now when man get old and on bars get big and long. When you become middle age like myself, yeah, me and Kartel the same age so I can talk. I be a balls me see in a Kartel red underpants, big balls, too big. No, so I look disgusting, it don't look good, none tall, it don't look good, but according to him and his fans, it is okay because him having money and him living in a mansion, so nothing else matters. That is so stupid. Really stupid. I expect better from them big money. But as me say, me used to be me think me still they like some Kartel song them. And yeah, but them attitude where big man portray, you wind up yourself on the internet, you make it look like say a woman alone I go see you, woman, picnic, child, everybody I go see you, but because you don't have any respect, look like I was everybody don't look good. But because you have money, like people are gonna say, if you love the man. No for not gonna say if you love the man because the man have the money and me have. Oh, me not have nothing more than my health and strength, my love. That is all that matters. But Kartel, big woman thing, stop the them thing there. We know say you have your money, man, and you must promote your music different. Because when you're younger, although the internet was so prevalent still, and probably you play catch up and all of them things there, but Lord God, man, it's disgusting. But people are going to do what they're going to do, but people are going to have their opinion when people put things on the internet. So don't y'all act as if people can say I'm blind and here and there. No.